Hi students, welcome back to our IT class. Today we are going to start our fourth lesson, Python Graphics. You have studied Python in your 9th standard, right? In this year we are going to do the program for creating geometrical shapes using Python language. Shall we start the lesson? You must be familiar with the programming language called Python. We use this language to do computations and to print information in our previous class. But programming languages are used not just for creating programs that do computations. They can also be used to create geometric shapes, patterns, and animations. Let's look at some of the features of Python language first. We often use different types of application software. That is, the software created for a specific purpose. We have already used Writer for preparing documents, GeoGebra for drawing geometric shapes, and GIMP for painting and editing images. Have you ever thought about how these applications were created? They were built using different programming languages, right? Python, C++, and Java are examples of programming languages. Now let's know about IDLE. You have studied it in your 9th standard, right? IDLE. Computer programs are usually prepared using text editors. The programs thus compiled can be run using terminals that you have known. But editors which can write almost all programming languages and run them are also available. They are called Integrated Development Environment, that is IDE. IDLE, Geany, etc. are IDEs used for typing and running the programs in Python language. Both are available in the programming menu of your computer. Mainly, we are dealing with IDLE for typing Python programs. Okay. Before entering into Python programming, let's have a look at this figure and analyze and notice all these figures clearly. First figure, it is a window obtained when IDLE opens, that is the Python shell. Second one, the editor window to prepare Python program. And the third window is the turtle graphics window that appears if the output of the program is graphics. Clear? Turtle graphics. Some additional software are needed to create geometric shapes using Python. Turtle is one such software. Graphic commands will work in Python if you add from turtle import star at the beginning of the program. Python graphics window. Normally, when you run Python programs in IDLE, the output will be seen in the Python shell window. But if the output of the program is graphical, it appears in a different window. This window is the Python graphics window. Okay. Now, before started to create programs, let's have a look at the following instructions and study the uses of all instructions carefully with an example. First one, forward. It is used to move the turtle to the right. An example, forward, in brackets you have to give the value here 50, or simply you can write FD50. Okay. Now the second one, circle. Circle is used to move the turtle in a circle. Example, circle 100. This instruction will help us to draw a circle having radius 100 units. Now the third one is dot. It is used to mark a dot on the graphic screen. Example, dot 20, blue. Here we have the provision to give the color of the dot also. 20 is the size of the dot in units. Now pen color. It is used to specify the color of the line to be drawn on the screen. An example is pen color blue. Next, pen size. It is used to specify the thickness of the line to be drawn on the screen. Example, pen size 5. Then right. It is used to turn the turtle to the right as per the angle specified. That is, right 90 turns the turtle to the right by 90 degrees. So, if we give RT 120 or right 120, it will turn the turtle to the right as per 120 degree. RT is the short form of right instruction. Next instruction, left. It turns the turtle to the left by the angle specified. For example, left 90 turns the turtle to the left by 90 degrees. LT is the short form of left. Now color A. It is used to specify the color of the shapes to be drawn in the Python graphics window. For example, color blue will give blue color to the graphics drawn, that is the shapes drawn. Okay. Now, if we want to give one color to the border and another color inside the body of the shapes, we can make use of color A, B. Here, we have to give two colors. Okay. Next instruction, clear. It is used to remove all the lines and colors in the graphic screen. Now, the last instruction, from turtle import star. This is a very important instruction. This instruction is usually used at the beginning of the Python program. It is used to import another software, turtle software, into Python graphics. Because in this chapter, we are dealing with geometric shapes. We have to draw geometric shapes using Python language. Python doesn't support any geometric shapes. So here we have to import another software named Turtle to support the geometrical shapes. This is a very important and the first instruction given at the beginning of the Python program to support graphics. Okay children, this is only the introduction to Python programming for geometric shapes. We will do programming in our next class onwards. Thank you.